Glock. Let's start from the beginning. Welcome to the gun factory. In this video, we're not looking at an infantry rifle, but at one of the most iconic pistols of the modern era. Used by military units, law enforcement agencies, and civilian shooters across the world, Glock is one of the most trusted pistols ever made. It appears officially in the inventories of countless countries, but that alone doesn't tell the full story. What makes Glock special is not flashy design or mechanical complexity. This pistol was built around simplicity, reliability, and a clear industrial mindset. Today, we're taking you on a quiet yet highly disciplined journey through the factory where this pistol is made. Sit back, because this documentary doesn't just show how a pistol is born, but how one of the boldest creations of the modern age came to life. Before we go any further, here's a question. What do you think truly separates Glock from its competitors and makes it one of the best in its class? Write your answer in the comments. We'll reveal the answer at the end of the video. The story of Glock begins far away from traditional gun makers. Let's rewind. It's 1980. The place is Austria, and the founder is Gaston Glock. He wasn't a gunsmith. He was an industrial manufacturer, specializing in metal processing and polymer technology. When the Austrian army announced a tender for a new generation pistol, he entered the competition with a completely different perspective. The result was the Glock 17, a polymer frame, fewer parts, easy maintenance, and a design built for mass production. At the time, it was risky, even controversial, but time would prove how right this approach really was. Glock quickly gained recognition across Europe, then in the United States, and eventually across the world. It became more than just a pistol. It became an industrial standard.
Glock production begins with raw materials. Steel alloys and high-strength polymers are carefully selected. At this stage, they are not yet a firearm. They are simply industrial materials, waiting to be shaped. The process starts with digital planning. Every component is modeled on a computer, down to the smallest dimension. Before a single physical part is made, Glock is built countless times on screen. Then, the automated production lines take over. CNC machines shape the metal slide and internal components with micron-level precision. The polymer frame is formed through injection molding. Here, aesthetics are not the priority. The focus is on lightweight, durability, and standardization. Parts are not produced individually, but as parts of a unified system. Every Glock is built to deliver the same tolerances, the same feel, and the same mechanical behavior.
If you think the process ends when manufacturing is complete, think again. This is where the most critical phase begins. Dust, mud, moisture, and then repeated firing. The goal is not to create the most accurate pistol. The goal is simple, to function under any condition. Every mechanism is tested again and again. Even the smallest deviation is sent back to the production line, because in this system, there is no room for almost. Now let's return to the question we asked at the beginning. The answer is simple. What makes Glock one of the best in its class is not power and not complexity, it's consistency. Glock is designed to never surprise you. It performs the same way in every condition with every shot. That is what truly sets it apart. Glock is not the most stylish pistol, and it's not the most complex. But in critical moments, it is a system you can trust. Fewer parts, clean mechanics, industrial discipline. And this philosophy turns Glock into more than just a firearm. It becomes a clear expression of modern manufacturing logic. Glock is not a design masterpiece, it's an engineering decision.